Hello and welcome to this episode. We are looking at how to insert an image and style it and give it a radius like a profile picture. Okay. All right. Let's dive in. Inside our text editor, Sublime Text, let's create an H4 that says. All right. So an H4 that says this is our profile picture, and to insert an image, it is just like how we insert an image in our HTML. Okay. So with the source, we just need the image name. And before we move on, in my project folder, I've created an image folder and I have put in an image with the name profile image. Okay, so we can equally do that. And my file extension is PNG. Okay, the file extension is very, very important. So here, I just need the name of my image with the file extension PNG. All right, so basically we have inserted our image. So let's see how it turns in our browser. Refresh. Okay, so we have the image symbol here, meaning what? Something is wrong. Okay, so let's go and fix it. Okay, so if we're able to find a problem, congratulations, because you can see from here that our image is not right inside our folder. Okay, it's not inside our CSS project folder, but it is. We have created a folder for the image. Okay, so we need to call that folder first before the name comes. So we will do images / profile image. Okay, so the images is the name that I used to name the folder that the image is inside. All right, so take note of that. Now let's save it and refresh. Save images, save, then refresh. Okay, so there we go. We can see our image nicely inserted here. All right, so with this, we can just go into our style sheet and call the img tag, which is the image tag. Then we can proceed from there and style our image. But for some reason, let's make it more professional. Okay, so let's use a class. So we call a class. We can use an ID. Okay, then let's give it a name, a profile. Profile is okay. Okay, so from here, we can use the name profile to style our image. And we come to the style sheet. All right, so inside our style sheet, let's call our, it was a class one. Oh, okay, so profile dot profile. Then let's give it a weight of 150 pixels, a height of 150 pixels. Then display, we say block. Now before anything, let's save the image and let's see how it turns. We save the project, then refresh. Save the HTML and save the CSS and refresh. Okay, it is not a good looking. Let's go and do something about it. 150, not 15. Okay, 150. Now let's refresh. Okay, so we have something like this. Right, so I think 180 is okay. Let's save it and refresh. Okay, so we have something like this. Let's keep on styling it. Okay, so the margin left and the margin right, let's make it auto. Okay, then we save it. Refresh. We can see that our image has been shifted to the center. Okay, this is the way we can position our image to the center. If you don't want to write additional code to it, okay, especially if you want an image to be on the center, it's better to use the margin left and the margin right auto. Okay, so we have something like this. Now let's go ahead and give our image a radius. Okay, so you know radius. Okay, let's implement the code first. So we give it a border radius. So the reason why I'm giving it a border radius of 90 pixels is that this is 180, okay, and we are dividing the 180 into 2 and we get what, 90. All right, so let me save it and explain it better. So you can see that it's kind of giving us what, a circle. Our image has been positioned in a circle, like exactly as a profile image. Okay, to get your radius as a circle, you have to divide your width and your height. This 180, we have to divide it into 2 and we are good to go. So basically that is on how to insert what, a profile image. Okay, so in a case you want to insert a profile image to your project, that is how you go about it. All right, let's end here, come back on the next one and let's learn more.